Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. So welcome to today's video. Today is Wednesday. No vlog today, but today is a sit down video. Okay guys, because I want to show you guys, discuss with you guys how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you are interested in growing your YouTube channel, got 12 tips for you on how to grow your YouTube channel. Okay guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so I've written down 12 tips here. So I'm going to be looking at my phone while I tell you what I've written down. So some of these tips are what I also do. Okay, sometimes when you are too busy we forget to put them, but I normally go back if I can to include them in my video. Okay guys, and it's helping bit by bit, of course. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you 12 tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. What I've been doing is working bit by bit. Okay guys, so the first tip I'm going to tell you guys is be searchable, and I'm going to just elaborate a little bit on that. Okay guys, so I've written down everything so I can be able to explain without forgetting anything. Okay, so be searchable. Focusing on keyword or main topic for each video is important first step, but to be searchable you are going to have to take things a little further. Okay, so what I mean by that is that sometimes our title, okay guys, so I know that we all have a title that we want to give our video, but we have to go a bit further. In addition to choosing the right topic, of course, what to talk about, you will have to incorporate your choosing keywords in your videos. Okay guys, so as I said, I'm going to be reading from my book and my phone, which I've already written some down. Okay, if I didn't write it down I'm going to forget. Okay, so these are several ways to do this. Include the keyword in your title. Always make sure that when you, like, assuming your title is a day in my life, so include that keyword in your description. Put it in your description, you understand, especially on the first, like before you start typing anything at the bottom of your description, put that day in the life first before you type hello, welcome back again to my, before you type all those things. Okay, so include those ones. Include the keyword and variations in tags. Also put them, I will talk about tags later. You'll be prompted to create tags. You know, normally on the YouTube or if you are using those app like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, you will see it to give you all this suggestion of tags. Okay guys, so that's number one. So be searchable, be searchable. So number two is link to yourself. Okay guys, so link to yourself. I know somebody will be like, what is link to yourself? Linking to yourself apparently is just in each box, like when people watch. Okay, when people watch your video, like on the description box, what I mean by link to yourself is had your Facebook, had your things like your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your Twitter, just had them on the description box. And also had videos, like the videos you've already made before, had them at the description box. Okay guys, on the description section of your video, put all those links. You know, if you go to each video, what I do when I'm uploading my video is that I open two YouTube page, so that I will be editing on one. The other one will be for me to search keywords and also to copy the link of my old videos to include on my description box. Okay guys, so that's one thing, that's the number two. So link to yourself, it's just by linking your social media stuff, linking all your social media to the description box. Okay, you put them there, and also link your other videos, old videos, put the links at the bottom. Like what I do in my, I just write watch more videos, and then I put the title of the video and I put the link, so it's clickable link. If you have your website, also put the link there as well. Okay, yeah, so that would be that's number two. So link to yourself. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, turn on notification bell, okay, to get notified when I post new videos. And I post video every day. I go live stream Friday and Saturdays 6:30 p.m. Okay guys, So keep watching so you have an idea of the 12 tips. We've only done number 2. So number 3 is your make playlist. Okay guys, so playlist is very important. Okay, so when you upload a video, you have the opportunity to create a playlist. This allows you to group related topics. Viewers will automatically be taken to the next videos on your playlist without having to think about it. So playlist is very good. So that's tip number 3 is make playlist, create playlist. Okay guys, I've told you that one. Okay, so tip number 5 is engage with your audience. Okay, so that one is very important. What I mean by engage with your audience is, you know, when you post videos, of course people are going to leave you comments. You understand what I mean? People are going to leave you comments. You know, even if your channel is new, you are about to get comments. Make sure you reply to all the comments if you can. Not only does this encourage further participation from your viewers, but it also doubles your comment count as well. You know, people like a lot of people like to see when there's more views on the video, when there's more comments, people tend to click on it. So be engaged with your audience. Try as much as you can, if you can, to reply to all your comments. So that's what I mean by number 5, engage with your audience. Okay, so that's what I mean. It's just an encouragement. It's also a good idea to encourage your viewers to comment questions, discuss and share ideas. Okay guys, so for example, if you want them to suggest the videos for you, you tell them to leave it in the comment section, you know, and tell you what they think about the video and all that. Okay guys, yeah, so that's number 5, engage with your audience. Okay, so I'm trying to just tick them off so that I will know which number I've given you guys. I don't know if I give you guys number 4. Okay, number 4 is use your end screen. I may have jumped number 4. Number 4 is use your end screen. Okay, I'm sure a lot of you that if you're a content creator, you already know your end screen. So end screens are a golden opportunity to capture the attention of people who made it to the end of your videos. Okay guys, so end screen are like when the video has finished watching, you know, at the end of the video there's always these 2 cards. How will I call it? 2 screen, or I think it's normally 2, and then there's a round one that says subscribe. Okay guys, so it's for people who made it to the end of this video. These people are going to be the most engaged people, yeah, because they watched the video to the end. Now they need to be told what to do next. You have a lot of options, but the best end screen tells your visitors to do 3 things: subscribe to your channel, watch a recent video, watch a video that is automatically recommended to the viewers based on their preference. Okay guys, so it's normally 3 things: either you subscribe or they watch more. Sometimes you put your playlist as well, so they click on any of them and they take an action on those. So that's number 4, is use your end screen. So include end screen on the end of your videos if possible. Try and do that. Okay guys, I do all these things, I do them. The one I don't do constantly is adding the links on my description, which I am doing now. So I do most of them. If I everything here, I do everything I wrote here, the 12 points, I do them. So I advise you guys to do them if you want to grow your channel. So number 6 is use eye-catching thumbnails. Okay guys, you have to take a nice thumbnail picture. Okay, take a nice thumbnail picture, use it to, thumbnail is the first picture the person sees before they click on the video to watch it. So bright, if it's possible, as much as you can, take pictures that are bright, that are clear, and use them as thumbnail. Always make your thumbnail to be the video, like what is in the, if possible. Don't mislead people, because sometimes people mislead people by putting different thumbnails. When you click on the video, it's a different thing entirely. So make an eye-catching great thumbnail if you can. Okay guys, everybody's working on their even me, I'm working on my thumbnail. I know a lot of content creators who are working on their thumbnail. I'm also working on my thumbnail. So use great eye-catching thumbnails. Okay guys, thumbnail is the first picture people see before they click on the video, just in case you don't know what thumbnail is. Okay, so that's number 6 guys. So number 7 is promote your channel on other social medias promote your channel on your Facebook, promote your channel on your Instagram, promote your channel on your Twitter if you have all those things. Promote your channel on your LinkedIn, or how do you call the other one, WhatsApp. There are others. Okay, so just promote your channel on your social media. Make sure you always put your social media link at the bottom of the description box, your website if you have a website where you sell products. Okay, so that's number 7. Number 8 is leverage YouTube cards. The YouTube cards is the little card that comes on top of the video. Normally it's on the top somewhere that tells you to watch more video, like it will suggest another video while this video is playing. You will see it will pop up on this video. So those are cards. Okay, always try to put cards on your video. So leverage your YouTube card, use them, put it there. It's very good. It just make the person have a idea. Cards are interactive, clickable links that you can place in a video. Just I wrote it down, but I was trying to scroll on my phone to find where I wrote more description. Okay, so they are clickable links that just tell the viewers, keeps your viewer on your channel. So instead of them going to another channel, they can just click on it and then they watch that other video. Okay guys, so you place them on the video. You can place 2, you can place 3. It depends on how long your video is. Okay guys, so that's number 8 tips that I use. Okay, so number 9 tips, always ask people to subscribe. I know sometimes people can feel a bit offended when you keep asking them subscribe, but we have to remind them, we have to remind our audience, our viewers to subscribe. You know, sometimes they want to subscribe but they say, oh, let me just watch the video. So remind them, always remind them in the beginning of the video to please subscribe to these channels. If you enjoy watching, subscribe, comment, share this video, you know, all those good stuff. Okay guys, so that is number 9. Okay, so number 10 is upload more videos. Guys, I actually wrote quite a lot about this, so I'm trying to, okay, I found it. So upload more videos. As you can see, that was why I decided to challenge myself. If you come to my live stream, the first live stream I did, I talked about how I went to this YouTube 360 something, I've forgotten, where the big YouTubers were there, and what they were hammering on, where they were talking, they were saying upload constantly, constant uploading, constantly upload. And I think it works, because for me it's working now, although it's taking a bit of time, but it's gradually working. So upload. The more videos you upload, the more views you get, and the faster your channel will grow. While frequency is important, consistency is perhaps even more so. Okay, by uploading a video at a specific day time each week, you are telling the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm that you are showing up. Okay, that's what I meant to say. This, you know what I mean. So the more videos you upload, the more, of course, the more people will see your videos. You understand? The more people will see your videos, the more views you get. I know it's a bit of a hard work, but if you're able to upload more videos and be consistent, so that YouTube will know that you are serious. Okay, just like running your own business. All right, of course YouTube is a business if you take it as a business. Okay guys, so that's number 10. Okay, upload more videos. Upload more videos, guys. It actually does help. So number 11. Okay, number 11 is what some people might know, some people might not know already. Advertise your videos or your channel. This one you have to pay. This is something that I do. I don't do it every time, but occasionally when I have money, some spare money, I do it. If you go to Google and you type in how to grow your YouTube channel, how to advertise your YouTube channel, you will see different companies will come. You have to pay. It's not free. Okay, so they help you to advertise. One of them that I normally use called Spreezy, something SPROIZZY.com. I use that one. Okay, there are others, guys, but that is the one I've used quite constantly to advertise my video. You can choose one specific video for them to advertise. The video you feel is gaining a lot of attention, you can advertise that video just so that more people will see it, more audience. And of course, more audience means more people will come to your channel and subscribe and watch your other videos. Okay guys, so advertise your channel, your videos, but it's paid ad, it's not free. You have to pay for that one. Okay, So that's number 11. Number 11 is advertise your channel. So if you know how to, if you understand how to use the analytics, that's number 12. If you understand YouTube analytics, you can also use the analytics, the YouTube channel analytics too. Okay, it gives you details of your channel. It tells you the time people are on your channel. It also tells you of course, it shows you what video is getting more views. You know, it tells you a lot of things. So if you're able to use it, you know, the performance of your of your channel, the analytics tell you. Google and not Google, yes, there's Google Analytics as well, but it's the YouTube analytics I'm talking about. Okay guys, yeah, so I don't want to get confused. So it's YouTube analytics. So the analytics, each YouTube channel comes with an analytic tool that has tons of data to give you insight about your channel's performance, so that you can accelerate your growth and learn what is working with viewers. Okay guys, the only thing is that it's not everything on this YouTube analytics that one can understand. Sometimes it's a bit hard to understand it, but if you understand how to read your analytics, then go ahead and use it, study it. It will help you to know what people like more, what people are doing on your channel, how it's performing. Okay guys, so these are all the, I just throw one more additional point, you know, which is get branded. You know, I wrote it down here, but I don't know if a lot of people do that. So consistent branding is key to ensuring that people who land on your channel know who you are. Have a good logo, let's say a good nice logo. Have a logo, a color scheme, as well as a font family. Okay, I'm hoping you guys understand this. I didn't want to mention it because not everybody really have the money to be doing logo, and not everybody understand the channel ads, you know, the banner that you have to put. You know, some people don't know where to do it from and all that. So that's why I didn't want to put it, but I'll just put it as a bonus point, as a bonus tip. Okay guys, so if you are branding your channel, like the customization side, make sure it's nice, people can see it. Stick to one color that is clear enough. Stick to a font that you know is okay. Put your logo there. Okay guys, so that people will know what your channel is all about. If you have a website, include it, your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever you want to add. Just add everything as nice as you can. Sometimes you have to pay to do all these things. It's not, you know, can't get free things every time. Sometimes you have to pay. You understand, you have to pay sometimes to get all these things done. Okay guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I just thought I would share this because on my live stream sometimes I get all these questions. Okay, so guys, that is the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe for more videos, and yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, Thursday, for my vlog. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.